to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. Today we will be doing 2 activities, but before we begin, let's go over what vowel teams are. Do you know what a vowel team is? A vowel team is when 2 or more letters are put together to make a long vowel sound. Usually, these 2 letters are vowels, but sometimes a consonant like Y or G and H are put together. One way for us to remember how vowel teams work is by remembering this little rhyme. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. That means that if you see 2 vowels together, usually the first one will be the letter that we say. So, if we have an E and an A together like this, the E comes first and does the talking for the team. What if we have an O and an A together? Which vowel would do the talking? Did you say the O? That's right. When O and A are put together, it makes a long O sound, like this. O, boat, coal. Now that we know what vowel teams are and how they work, let's look at some examples. And guess what? It's time for our first activity. Get out a blank piece of paper and something to draw with. Pause the video if you need time to do this. Got that? Okay, let's begin. First, break up your paper into 8 sections, just like this. Okay, now at the top of the first box, write the letters A and I. What sound does that make? That's right, a long A. A. Can you think of a word that has this vowel team in it? The first word that I think of is the word rain. So at the bottom of this box, I'm going to write rain. You can write the same word as me in your box, or if you thought of a different word that has the AI vowel team in it, you can write that one instead. Lastly, to help me remember, I'm going to draw a picture of rain in the middle of my box. If you wrote a different word, like sail, draw that instead. This is how we're going to set up all of our boxes. Let's do another one. In the next box, write the letters A and Y. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the same long A vowel sound as the last one. Now think of a word that has the AY vowel team in it. Got one? Write it down. I'm going to write hay in my box. Once that's done, draw your picture. Okay, let's do another one. In this box, write the letters E and A. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the long E vowel sound. Now think of a word that has the EA vowel team in it. Got one? Write it down. I'm going to write meat in my box. And once that's done, draw your picture. Alright, let's do the next one. In this box, write the letters E. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the same long E vowel sound as the last one. Now think of a word that has the EE vowel team in it. Got one? Alright, write it down. I'm going to write seed in my box. And once that's done, draw your picture. Okay, now let's do the next one. In this box, write the letters I and E. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the long I vowel sound. Now think of a word that has the IE vowel team in it. Got one? Write it down. I'm going to write pie in my box. And once that's done, draw your picture. Alright, we have 3 more. In this box, write the letters O and E. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the long O vowel sound. Now think of a word that has the OE vowel team in it. Did you figure one out? Well, write it down. I'm going to write toes in my box. And once that's done, you draw your picture. Now let's do this one. In this box, write the letters O and A. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the same long O vowel sound as the last one. Now think of a word that has the OA vowel team in it. Got one? Write it down. I'm going to write soap in my box. And once that's done, draw your picture. Alright, now let's do the last one. In this box, write the letters U and I. What sound does this vowel team make? That's right, it makes the long U vowel sound. Now think of a word that has the U-I vowel team in it. Did you figure one out? Write it down. I'm going to write juice in my box. And once that's done, you draw your picture. There. Now that we have filled in all of our boxes, we have made a little poster that we can keep to remind us of our vowel teams. Now, let's do our second activity. We're gonna play bingo! So, take another blank piece of paper. This time, draw 25 squares on it like this. You can write bingo on the top if you want to as well. Now I'm going to put a list of the 25 vowel teams I want you to put on your bingo sheet. You can put them in any square that you want to, but make sure that there is only one in each square. As you may notice, some of the vowel teams repeat, and that's okay. Alright, here's the list. Did you finish filling in each of the squares? Okay, let's play. I will say a word that has one of these vowel teams in it, and then I will give you a second to try and find it. After a few seconds, I will put how the word is spelled on the screen, just in case you miss it or are having trouble finding it. Here we go. Pale. Day. Steak. 8. Keep. Heel. Ceiling. Pie. Sigh. Coat. Toe. Flu. Feud. Fuel. Suit. Boy. Sour. Cow. Show. Paw. Launch. Cook. Money. Field. And then the last one is soil. Well, how did you do? Did you get bingo? Thank you for joining us to learn today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more videos. Until next time.